afternoon. How are you doing today, ma'am? My name is Courtney Richardson. I'm here at Tameron Honda, Hoover, Alabama. Happy holiday season to you. First off, it's a little bit of our Black Friday sales event kicking off, going into the Christmas special. Got some information from our online website that looks like you might be in the market for one of these beautiful 2019 Honda Passports in the touring all-wheel drive package. Now, some of those standard features that you are getting on the vehicle that you selected, along with your all-wheel drive aspect, you do pick up the Honda Sensing Suite, which gives you your adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, forward collision braking. I mean, pretty much this car will slow down, speed up, come to a complete stop based off how traffic is flowing, making sure you and your family is safe, keeping you in your lane. If there's a car on your side, left or right, you do have blind spot indicators, reverse camera, power tailgate with hands-free access, keyless entry, remote start, sunroof, power seating, even heated seats on your front and back row. I mean, this is just one of the best vehicles we have. New redesign. I'd love to set some time aside for you to come by, get behind the wheel, and experience this vehicle for yourself. So, at your earliest convenience, give me a call at 205-443-7727. Well, I guarantee when you make it in to see me here at the Tameron Honda in Hoover, you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated.